All right. Today's project is fixing this fence. Well, that's actually... Oh, it's because it's got the supports on the other side. I was like, that actually feels pretty sturdy. So, the problem with this fence is we tried to make this as cheap as possible by saving these posts and using whatever scrap wool we could find. It's just not enough. It's gonna need... These are so rotted. This one's pretty good. But these posts are so rotted that they need new ones put in. So that's what we're doing today. Got our new 4x4s. Need to grab this tool. And the other issue is, I'll show you in a second. There's another big problem. And it's another freaking cold day. Sorry if the audio is not the best. I have that wind deflector on again because it's windy out here. Alright, so I'll show you what the issue is. It's all these tree stumps. This is why we didn't put 4x4s in the first place, because I'm not sure if we could even dig through those. But I'm gonna pray we don't hit a root. See if we get lucky. So this 4x4 over here, I know for a fact, is very stable. So we're gonna probably put the other one probably in this area. Put it like, I guess like right here. Because this one does shake when the support's not here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start this. And get the other camera, put it in position. You guys see how this works. Ooh. I'll back it up a little bit. So, start this up. I already warmed it up. This is your post hole digger. If you ever have a fence available, always put it up against this. Preferably you have two people, but this will keep it from kicking if you hold it up against the fence like this. So, go ahead and go to start. Probably should turn it on. That's plenty deep enough. It's about 2 feet, a foot and a half. There you go. Simple as that. Just gonna grab some of the extra dirt out of here. Yeah, there's a lot of extra dirt in here. Make sure if you're gonna do this, grab a post hole digger. I forgot mine at the house. When I first bought this tool, I was like, I don't need a post hole digger anymore. I got this automatic one. But then you still got to get that loose dirt out of there. Here, take our 4x4. Yeah, it's not exactly where we want it. Probably have to use a shovel, maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna grab a shovel and see how hard this is to dig. Alright, we're gonna see if we can get a little closer to the fence. Actually, not too bad. I'm more concerned with how soft this dirt is. If you're wondering about the electric and everything, it's all above ground, right up there. Not sure if you can see it or not. So, got nothing in here to hit. Go. Put that down in there. Alright, now we get a little closer to the fence. Alright, there we go. Hold this up real quick. Oh, left my bag over there. Just have to keep in mind, this is not how you normally would build a fence. This is simply a repair. Trying to save. I mean, this fence really needs to be replaced. It's in bad shape. Alright, so. The screws are still here from last time. Alright. Okay. Now we're gonna take our level on the other side. Make sure it's straight up and down. Typically, you want a longer level. Okay, there we go. That's about as far as we can get it to go. Needs to come this way a little bit more. It's pretty close. There that goes. Alright. Now we gotta take this off. This will all make sense in a second. Really bad. The lean's awful. Alright, now this is the part where you gotta make sure it's straight up and down this way. Grab our level. Oh, wow. It's pretty close, actually. Huh. Whew, yeah. Like I said, this fence is pretty rough, but that looks pretty straight. I'm gonna go a little bit more this way. Okay, let's see how it is. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's got a big warp in it. The boards themselves are that way. So it's hard just to get it look, like it's hard to stand on the end of it and make it look straight. Because it's not, no matter what you do. Alright, so this is in here pretty good. I lied this on there pretty good. Let's go to the other screw. Once everything's set up, I'll probably come back here with the nail gun and blast some nails in it. That'll get it real sturdy. Yeah, here we go. Now this is the fun part. Set up this camera. Alright. So this stuff, I'm using this in the winter time because you can't use concrete. It's near down to 23 tonight, so it won't work. So you just, hope you can see that on the camera. Roll it. Oh, good thing I saw that. I don't got my scissors with me. Do I have any way to cut that? Alright. So I'm just gonna use this screw. Forgot my pocket knife with me. So you just roll this. There we go. Wait 15 seconds, just kind of. Take this. All you do is just pour it in. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna set this camera up so you guys can watch it set up so you can see what it does. It's actually pretty cool to look at. So you guys like that. Alright, now while you guys stare at that, I will keep on working. There we go. That was a lot closer too. Sweet. You guys in here so you can see. Yeah, it's definitely like 2 feet or something, for sure. This is what you're looking for. You're looking for about 2 feet. Oh, hit a little bit of dirt. Not much. Oh, this board's way lighter. It's more dry. This is the one I had in my garage. This is an extra board. There we go. Cool. If that stays. Okay. I gotta find the screws on my truck. Alright, needs about, I can't even talk, needs to go about over as far as it can go. Yeah. Took like about one more screw, so that way I can just bring the nail gun back next time. Blast some nails into here. I don't think, oh yeah, one more. That's all I needed. There's 2 more. Cool. Alright. Now we just gotta make sure it's level this way. Drill it. See what we got going here. Oh. Perfect. Sweet. That's what I like to see. Alright, what should we do now? All we gotta do is put one more bag of the stuff down. Should be good. So for this right here, all you do is come back. Yeah, see how solid that is? You cut back with a handsaw, you just cut this off. Let it cures. Alright. Do another one real quick for you guys. It's okay if a little bit of dirt gets in there. Cool. Everyone done? I'll set you guys up so you can watch this one too. It's kind of satisfying. It's cool to see it. It's hard to actually get a shot of this without knocking the camera over. Surprised. Okay, cool. All goes straight to the second curtain. And the second one. First, just look at the straight. He's original work. He's right. Zero. Here, first, then he looks there. Just add the straight. Straight. Also left a little bit. Second, first, one, then straight. I just walk over the end first. That's how easy it is. Let's see how this goes. Sucks. I need to bring my chainsaw. Yeah, bringing a chainsaw. Chainsaw and the hand sander. I'll definitely clean that mess up. I wish I cut a little bit better. I know the blade's all bent. What's that? Let's go ahead. What the heck? Why did that turn off? A lot of heat on the inside of there. Just tuck it down in there. It'll continue to get harder. Probably should put some grass seed on top of this too. Yeah, there's one down. Gotta cut this one. There we go. Let me get some grass seed down on here. Here we go. Fence is done. I'm gonna come back and stand on the top of those posts down a little bit. They're like a quarter inch, not quarter inch, like an 1/8 inch too tall. You can kind of see them. From like here, you can kind of see it's fairly straight. I'd call it pretty straight for a 20-year-old fence. And you get down to right here, not straight, because again, this piece was added later, this panel, and it was added crooked. But even if you come back here, the fence is so warped and old, it still looks crooked. You can see how it's like wavy. That's way better. The fence would fall down before. Like it could stand itself up. That's why I had those 2x4s there. So the fact that it stands up on its own, I mean, it's pretty good. And stuff, like I said, that stuff gets harder. That foam stuff, it'll keep getting harder. All right, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I gotta trim this bush up real quick, and I'll be heading home.